The sewer grate. Okay? And I'm looking at this, I'm like, holy crap, you know, how the hell does she know? And she's a little thing too. These guys are pulling out. I'm going to try and get some video of both of them. Oh yeah, yeah, but only on Saturdays. Yeah, only on... Okay. Uh-huh.